Hello everyone! Welcome and thank you for joining me today. As we get older, it's important to think about our brain health. We all want to keep our memories, think clearly, and enjoy life. In this video, we will talk about how the foods we eat can help lower the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease, which are common worries for many of us as we age. Dementia is not just one disease. It describes a group of symptoms that affect how we think, like memory loss and trouble with reasoning. Alzheimer's disease is the most common type of dementia. Age and family history are important factors for these conditions, but there are many healthy choices we can make, especially with what we eat, to help our brain. Today, I'm excited to share 10 simple and delicious foods that you can add to your meals to keep your brain healthy. Each of these foods is full of nutrients that are really good for our thinking. So, let's get started and check out these amazing foods. Let's start with leafy greens, especially spinach and kale. These vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals important for brain health. Leafy greens are particularly high in vitamin K, which is linked to improved cognitive function and may help protect against neurodegenerative diseases. They also contain folate, which is important for brain cell function and repair, promoting the growth of new cells. Additionally, leafy greens are packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can lead to cognitive decline. Their high fiber content also supports digestive health, which is important for nutrient absorption. Think about how you can add more leafy greens to your meals. Could you start your day with a spinach smoothie or a kale salad at lunch? These are easy changes that can significantly benefit your brain health. Aim for at least one serving of leafy greens daily to maximize the benefits for your brain. Next is fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel. These fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for maintaining brain health. Omega-3s are known to support cognitive function, improve memory, and can help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. They aid in building brain and nerve cells, which are important for memory and overall brain health. Fatty fish are also a great source of vitamin D, which has been linked to cognitive health. The healthy fats in these fish can also help lower inflammation in the body, promoting better blood flow to the brain. Have you tried incorporating fatty fish into your meals? Consider grilling a salmon fillet or adding mackerel to your salads. Aim to enjoy fatty fish at least twice a week for optimal health benefits. Your brain will thank you. Now, let's talk about the delightful berries. Blueberries and strawberries are packed with antioxidants that protect your brain from oxidative stress. These antioxidants combat free radicals that contribute to age-related decline in cognitive function. Studies have shown that regular consumption of berries can improve memory and may delay cognitive decline, helping you maintain mental sharpness as you age. Berries also contain vitamin C, which is important for brain health and supports the immune system. Additionally, their high fiber content aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, providing steady energy for the brain. Consider how you can easily incorporate berries into your daily routine. Could you enjoy a bowl of mixed berries for breakfast or add them to your yogurt? A serving of berries several times a week can significantly boost your brain health. What berry recipes can you try this week? Let's highlight walnuts now. Walnuts are another excellent choice for brain health. They are high in healthy fats and antioxidants that protect against oxidative damage. Walnuts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that contributes to heart and brain health, supporting overall cognitive function. In addition to healthy fats, walnuts provide a good amount of protein, vitamins, and minerals, which are important for maintaining energy levels and brain function. They are also a source of polyphenolic compounds, which can help reduce inflammation in the brain. How about keeping a bowl of walnuts nearby for a quick snack? They're perfect for munching on throughout the day. You can also sprinkle them on salads or oatmeal for added crunch and nutrition. A handful of walnuts daily can enhance your overall brain function. What's your favorite way to enjoy walnuts? Next on our list is a breakfast favorite: eggs. Eggs are a great source of choline, which is important for making acetylcholine. This is a chemical in our brain that helps with memory and learning. Choline is important for how our brain develops and works, and it's especially important to get enough of it as we get older. Eggs are also a complete source of protein, providing all the important amino acids needed for muscle maintenance and repair. Additionally, they contain various vitamins, including B vitamins, which are important for energy production and cognitive health. What's your favorite way to prepare eggs? Whether you enjoy them scrambled, poached, or boiled, including eggs in your meals can contribute to better brain health and cognitive function. Consider trying an egg omelet packed with vegetables for a nutritious and satisfying meal. How can you make eggs a regular part of your diet? Moving on, let's highlight whole grains like oats and brown rice. Whole grains, such as oats and brown rice, provide important nutrients that support brain health. They are rich in fiber, which helps maintain steady energy levels and provides glucose for the brain. This steady supply of energy is important for cognitive function, as the brain relies on glucose for optimal performance. Whole grains also contain important B vitamins, which are important for maintaining a healthy nervous system. These vitamins help reduce fatigue and support overall brain function. Have you considered switching to whole grains? Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit and nuts for added nutrients. Brown rice can be a nutritious side dish paired with various proteins and vegetables. Replacing refined grains with whole grains can enhance your diet and promote long-term brain health. What whole grain meals can you plan this week? Next, we have avocados. Avocados are known for their healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats, which promote healthy blood flow and support cognitive function. These fats can help reduce the risk of high blood pressure and high cholesterol, both of which can negatively impact brain health. Avocados are also rich in vitamins E and K, which are beneficial for brain health and may help protect against cognitive decline. The potassium found in avocados aids in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, which is important for optimal brain function. Have you tried adding avocados to your meals? They can be enjoyed sliced on toast, blended into smoothies, or tossed into salads. Their rich flavor makes them a popular choice in many dishes. Including avocados regularly can contribute positively to your brain health. How do you like to enjoy avocados? Our number 8 is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is not only a delicious treat, but also contains beneficial antioxidants that support brain health. The flavonoids in dark chocolate improve blood flow to the brain, which is important for cognitive function. This increased circulation can help enhance memory and promote a better mood. In addition to antioxidants, dark chocolate contains magnesium, which is important for brain health and supports overall nervous system function. It also has a lower sugar content compared to milk chocolate, making it a healthier indulgence. How about treating yourself to a piece of dark chocolate now and then? It can be a delightful end to your meal or a pick-me-up snack. Just remember to enjoy it in moderation. A small serving a few times a week can enhance your mood and support brain health. What's your favorite way to indulge in dark chocolate? Next on our list is turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. This spice has been linked to improved cognitive function and may help prevent neurodegenerative diseases by reducing inflammation in the brain. Curcumin also has antioxidant properties, which help protect brain cells from damage. In addition to its cognitive benefits, turmeric may also enhance mood and overall mental well-being. It can be easily incorporated into various dishes, adding both flavor and health benefits. Think about how you can add turmeric to your meals this week. It's delicious in soups, stews, and curries, or you can mix it into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Its vibrant yellow color and earthy flavor make it a great addition to a variety of dishes. Consider using turmeric regularly to support your brain health and add a delicious twist to your meals. Lastly, let's discuss green tea. This refreshing beverage is rich in antioxidants that protect the brain from oxidative stress. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea can enhance brain function, improve mood, and boost memory. Green tea also promotes alertness without the jitters often associated with coffee, making it a suitable choice for those sensitive to caffeine. Additionally, green tea has been linked to improved brain health by potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Its calming properties can also help reduce stress and anxiety, contributing to overall mental well-being. Have you tried swapping your regular beverages for green tea? It can be a delightful way to stay hydrated and enjoy a refreshing drink. You might find it enjoyable to sip on a warm cup of green tea in the morning or during an afternoon break. Explore different types of green tea to find your favorite flavor. How can you make green tea a part of your daily routine? So, there you have it. 10 simple and nutritious foods that can help seniors reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. By incorporating leafy greens, fatty fish, berries, walnuts, eggs, whole grains, avocados, dark chocolate, turmeric, and green tea into your diet, you can support your brain health and enjoy delicious meals at the same time. Remember, it's not just about individual foods, but about creating a balanced and varied diet that promotes overall health. Staying active, engaged mentally, maintaining social connections, and managing stress are also important for brain health as you age. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite brain-healthy recipes, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay healthy and take care.